Hi folks, Ian Wallace Harper here, Chatbot Ninja, and yes, it's time for another chat bomb video from BizStackPro. And let's have a look, see what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to go and share my screen, if I can find out where we're going to go, where we're going to go. There we go, and share. And I want to go to this one here and share it. So last time I talked to you about integrations. Today I'm going to show you uh, the AI assistant, which is just below the AI the integrations. Now this is where you can build your own assistant, AI assistant connected to ChatGPT. I've called mine Susie, but when you come in, you I'm going to go to edit it, and this is the screen you will see: assistant name, and then you've got the instructions. Now this is just a prompt, a technical support assistant prompt for Chatbot Ninja. I've just put in here something like this, but you can do it yourself. You can actually build your own prompt, build your own assistant. I've called her Susie and asked her, you will be uh, uh, answer when somebody asks her name. I'm Susie from Chatbot Ninja Services. Okay. And what does she do? Uh, walks users through integrations, OpenAI, go high level, uh, answer questions about information workflows, ADA compliance, setup, CRM functions, direct users to appropriate tutorials and knowledge base articles, escalates the issue if needed. Okay, so provides technical support. Response style, clear, concise, friendly, consistent, limits to 50 words or less. Reference knowledge base for deep questions. Always gives users next steps. So common support scenarios, you just add them in like a Q&A, question and answer. This is it's ideal, really. If you need help with building an assistant, all you got to do is ask me, and uh, I will give you some help. I'll even do it for you. Of course, it's not free. Everybody has to make a little bit of money now and again, and these do take sometimes they do take a little bit of working out what they need. So this took me around about 30 minutes to get sorted and get thought out by asking myself, what do I want it to do? What do I, that sort of thing. What sort of information is Susie going to be giving out? So now you can then GPT-4o, I'll leave it on GPT-4o. You can include files. Now, this is where you could add a help document. The help document that I'm writing for Chatbomb. I will probably put that in here as well. If I couldn't get hold of a GHL help, then I will probably redo that and just put it in as a help document for Susie later. You can add so many different files. They all have to be text files, but then you can add a list of help websites. So I've just put in here help BizStackPro.com here for now, just to show you how to put it in there. You can even access a knowledge base. Yeah. So this one tells you here only public articles will be passed to the assistant. So, you know, we won't pass all websites or URLs. Please add relevant URLs only one by one. So what you're going to have to do if you've got help BizStackPro.com account, help BizStackPro automations or whatever, each individual URL, add it into here. Now, I did a complete list of URLs for a help database and added them to ChatGPT for doing something that I was building, and it actually works. This is the same. You have to put the each individual URL of that. So if you've got six documents in your help, and they've each page has got a URL, you have to put the 6 URLs in that in these in this list. Then you save it, and there you have a informative AI assistant that knows her stuff. Okay, but she only knows as much as you feed her, and what AI already knows. What so GPT-4o, what that already knows about Go High Level, about ADA, about Chatbot Ninja. She the AI knows a lot about what I do from all my conversations that I've done, and so it's all in there. And all the added stuff. It's very comprehensive and it's very powerful. So that is AI assistance. Again, a short video, but it is absolutely fantastic working with this Chatbomb. A powerful, very powerful software. I'm going to get as many as I can done today, and I'll be putting them out over the next couple of days once I've finished them. Okay, so again, it's Ian Wallace Harper here, the Chatbot Ninja, and another video wrapped up. And please subscribe to my channel and to hit that bell. You'll get notified when another video comes out. But if you do want to get Chatbomb, you've come across my channel just as you see it, and you want to get Chatbomb, all you have to do and get other premium software, including BizStackPro, is hit the link in the description below me, and we'll sort you out with an account. Yes, you do save a lot of money getting the premium account through my link. It does save you $2,400 per year, believe it or not. So if you want to get it, and you will get my help as well, because I look after my team. Right, chat bomb. Next video coming up very shortly. I'll see you then. So bye bye for now.